The life expectancy calculator. The life expectancy calculator can be used to determine the life expectancy of any given individual. First, you need to select the calculation method, National Average State Average, or GAOS specific. Next, you need to select the gender third. We need to put in the date of birth. I'm going to put in January 1st, 1980. For this example, down here, you can see it has auto-populated the life expectancy for that individual that is going to be 30.2 based on the selected criteria. Now let's say that person also had a spinal cord injury. I can go ahead and select yes. Now you can see the life expectancy has dropped down to 26.6 based on the given criteria. Now let's change the calculation method to state average based on Alabama. The life expectancy of that individual is going to be 22.5. Let's do one more example by changing the calculation method to GAOS specific. I'm going to enter a specific zip code. Here we go. And based on the selected zip code and the other criteria, the AddVHE life expectancy is going to be 39.6 for that given individual. I hope this demo was helpful. If you need any further assistance, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.